Today I'm going to film a dog. He's a very friendly dog. He goes wherever I go. He's a companion. Come on, come on. I think he knows that I'm filming him because this is the first time that I filmed him. And he notices something is different. But anyhow, I'm just going to keep filming him. I'm going to get some really good action shots. I'm really just doing practice here, seeing how I can keep track of the movement. You let me know how I do. Let me know if I get some good footage. Come here, doggy. Doggy, come here. Hello? Why are you waiting back there so long? Come on. Maybe he's going to come out if I move. I don't know what's happening. Hello? Good hearing. You don't want to keep the viewers waiting. So I'm just using a regular camera. I don't have a steady camera, special steady cam arms that they use in Star Wars and the big Hollywood movies. Just trying to keep the camera steady. That's all. Let's pick up the pace. Come on. Come on. What, you can't keep up? I just noticed that we're at 3 minutes. I actually thought it was more than that. I thought it was like over 5 minutes by now. I'm thinking of just like filming for about 20 minutes and speeding up the film. That would look really cool, wouldn't it? I can do that. Cover up his face because he doesn't want to be seen. That was kind of hilarious. Hey, look at that! Springs 111. phone call. Hello? Hi. Yes, are you calling for tomorrow? Wait, I can hear Tiger? Who? You do? Hi, how you doing? Good. So. Yeah. She's working at the kindergarten now. Yeah. She's working until